Hello girls, how are you? Today we have problem solving for our chapter. This is the last lesson for math and we will finish. Yes. So we will start together. Here it is. We will solve together the problem. Here it is. The page is 404. Problem solving number 1. Before we will start doing the problem solving, do you remember the song that we sing it all the time when we make problem solving? Perfect. Let's say it. 4 steps for problem solving. 4 steps for problem solving. Read, understand. Make your plan. Carry out the plan and check your answer. Perfect. So here is we start reading the first one. I don't have any corners. I'm round. What shape am I? What do you call this shape with no corners and around, around, around? Perfect. It's a circle. Circle is a round. Circle has no corner. Number 2. I have 2 triangles and 1 square. How many corners do I have in all? Teacher's hard. Let's draw. So I have 2 triangles. The first triangle, the other triangle, and I have also 1 square. How many corners in all? Let's count. For this triangle is a 3, and this one is a 3. 3 and 3, double of 3 is 6. And for this square I have 4 corners. 6 and 4, perfect. So it's 10. So you have to say 3 plus 3 plus 4. The answer is 10. Number 3. Kevin has 3 corners. He also has 2 cylinders. Sorry, he had 3 cones and also has 2 cylinders and 1 sphere. How many faces does he have in all? Here it is. Let's count 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. And 2 cylinders. 1 and 2. And 1 sphere. So we want to find how many faces. Let's see each shape, how many faces it has. For the cone, how many faces? Perfect, it's just 1 face around. This is like a circle. Here is 1. For this, so here is I have only 1 and here is only 1. For the cones I have 3 faces. What about the cylinder? Can you remember how many faces for the cylinder? Amazing, 2 faces, 1 up and 1 down. Here is 2. And here is also 1 up and 1 down, will be 2. So let's see the sphere. Does the sphere have any faces? For sure not. It's just a curved surface. So let's count together the faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Amazing. So 3 faces for 3 cones and 4 faces for 2 cylinders. 3 and 4 will be 7. Excellent. Number 4. Ruth ate 1 part of an apple. Mary ate the other part of the same apple. The apple was cut into halves. Who ate more? Do you remember when I cut something into halves? Did I have equal part? Is a half an equal part? Yes. So when I cut the apple, I have 2 halves. Here is a half and here is a half. So Ruth ate 1 part and Mary ate 1 part, and both parts are halves. Who ate more? Yes, excellent. They ate the same because both parts are half. So we said here they ate the same amount. Number 5. How many corners are in one square and one rectangle? I don't remember. Let's draw together the shape of a rectangle. Here is a rectangle. It looks like a square with long sides, and here a square. How many corners for the rectangle? Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 corners. How many for a square? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. What a double of 4? Perfect. Is 8. So 4 and 4 is 8. Number 6. I have 3 sides. I have 3 corners. What shape am I? Let's draw 3 sides and we have to figure out what this shape. 1 side, 2 side. We still have third 3 side. What do you call this shape? Perfect. It's a triangle. Let's go next. Here is we have check your information in doing the problem solving. We have the first one. Emma has 1 cube. Jake has 4 cylinders. Who has more faces? In this problem, you have to count the faces for all the 3D shapes. Let's see here. Here is I have 2 faces, 1 and down. So the first cylinder is 2. And here is 2, and here is 2, and here is 2. Here is as I'm skipping by 2's. Let's skip together. 2, 4, 6, 8. So Jake has 8. Let's remember for the cube. How many faces? Do you remember the song? 1 up, 1 down, 4 around. 1 up, 1 down, 4 around. So how many faces for the cube? Perfect, it's 6. So who has more faces? Amazing, Jack. Jack has. So we say that Jack has more faces. Number 2. I have 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional shapes in my basket. They have 6 faces all. What shapes do I have? Yes, I need 7 faces, sorry. Let's see here. Here I can see a cone. So the cone has 1 face. Here is I can see the cube. The cube has, yes, excellent, 6 faces. So here is, you can see any answer you want. Maybe you can see cube or rectangular prism, and a cone. Excellent. So I have to say, here is, I have 2 and 3. So let's see, it's cube. It's a cube and a cone. Maybe you want to take, for example, change your answer, maybe cylinder. So but you have to get 7 faces. Maybe I have 1 cylinder with 2 faces and maybe 3 cones But can you see here? I want 7 faces, so I can check it's a rectangular prism or a cube with a cone. Number 3, I have 6 faces. I have 8 corners. All my faces are squares. Which shape am I? All the shapes of the face are square. Perfect, it's a cube. Excellent, it's a cube. This is a cube. All the faces are squares. Here is Donna and 3 friends share a pie. Looks yummy. Each friend gets an equal share. Into how many parts will they cut the pie? So Donna and the 3 friends. Donna is 1. 3 friends will be 4. Because 1 and 3 are 4. So, yes, how many parts? Excellent, 4 equal parts. 4 equal parts. And each one will take a fourth. Each one will take a fourth or a quarter. Number 5. I'm a 2-dimensional shape. I have 4 sides. I have 4 corners. I look like a doll. What shape am I? Let's remember how to draw a door. Yes, what do you call the shape? Perfect, it's a rectangle. Let's write it. Rectangle. Perfect. Here is your homework. The first question, I am a 2-dimensional shape. I have 4 sides. All my sides are the same length. What shape am I? 4 and the sides are same in length. Perfect. I'm a square. So this is square and this is also the square. Number 2, I'm a 3-dimensional shape with 6 faces. 2 of my faces are squares and the 4 are rectangles. So not all the faces are squares. 2 squares and 4 rectangles. What the shape am I? Perfect, rectangular prism. Prism. Sorry. Yes. Kimberly put 2 triangles together to make a new shape with 4 sides. How many sides does the new shape have? What is the name of that shape? Let's bring this 2 triangle. This is the first triangle. And here is the other triangle. What the shape that I have? Yes, I have a shape with 4 sides, and yes, I have here 4 sides. How many sides does the new shape have? Excellent, 4 sides. What do you call the shape? Perfect, it's a rectangle, so I have to say it's a rectangle with 4 sides. Perfect. Let's see now number 4. Edward. Yes. Edward and his friend shared an orange equally. How many equal parts were there? Edward and his friend. We have only one friend, and Edward is 1. When I want to share 1 in 2 parts. Excellent, 2 equal parts. Each part is what? A half. Amazing. So this is the lesson for today. It just recovery for our the last lessons for the 3D shapes, 2D shapes, and for the introduction for the fraction. So I hope that you like it. Just read carefully and answer. Write your answer in a nice handwriting. Thank you for watching. Here is Miss Noor. I love you so much. Bye bye.